So, hi, no code. I'm Alex, the founder of Hi No Code Developer Agency, and this is Tracey, our client. And we just finished the app with the idea that you can find coaches and if you want to learn new hobby. And yeah, I just want to take a quick review about the result and about the process. And can you first say some words about your idea and which goals you had mm, when you looked for the developer team?
Sure. I'm the founder of Raeva, like Alex mentioned, and we're a marketplace where you can easily find any sort of private lesson or workshop in a diverse range, right? Arts, crafts, outdoors, sports. I started looking for a developer end of last year, so around December 2022. I'm very interested in creating an MVP with no code solution, right? So that we can really get this out to the market to get a validation from the market. So I interviewed probably about 10 different developers, different companies, and by far Alex was the most thorough. So many follow-up calls to really understand my requirements. So after about 3 or 4 rounds of interviews, and I was feeling confident that he understood the requirements, very detailed, and had a good solution, then I went ahead and signed a contract, and we've been working together ever since. And we just recently launched the MVP, and I couldn't be happier about the outcome.
Cool. Thank you. And the next question about the process of work first. So you had the team with the project manager, designer, and developer. And could you say some words about overall about the process?
Yeah, so when I'm working with different companies or suppliers or vendors, I usually measure performance based on 3 metrics. First one is quality, the other one is cost and delivery. So initially we came in with a contract. We both understood my requirements for when I wanted the app delivered, and also we set a budget. What's great is over the last few months, we've really come in at budget. So that's great for me. Delivered on time, and the quality of the app is perfect. It's exactly what I envisioned in the beginning, and probably even better, and great user interface. Working with a team overall has been great. They are very flexible with your schedule, and they're also great at communication, which is probably the highlight of this project, is that I never felt like they were not available. They would reach out in different ways through Telegram or a weekly cadence that we started, so we can connect every Wednesday on a 30-minute call. So just overall really good experience and very professional team to work with.
Cool, thank you. My next question was about result, but I think you said about the result. So just I want to mention that we developed a native app for iOS and Android. And yeah, you can say some words about the result. Maybe something more you want to mention.
Yeah, so at a first launch, I was really concerned that new users would be hard to acquire because they would have to download the app. So Alex and his team created several different versions of the platform, native app, like he mentioned, with Google and Apple, the App Store available, and also a web app, so users can easily access the platform through web, and also optimize for mobile and a desktop version. So really 4 different solutions and great pricing. And like I said, on-time delivery. It was very good quality, all 4.
Well, thank you. And the last question about your plans. So now we created your MVP, and what are plans in the next 1 or 2 months? So
Yeah. So we've recently launched, and we're in the process of onboarding a marketing manager to get our ads out there for a closed beta testing. So we're looking for 50 users quickly to get us beta tested and give us feedback of the app. And what we're looking forward to is continuing to work with Alex. So his team developed our app, our web app. So they're very familiar with the back end and what the requirements are. So we're looking forward to this ongoing work and how he can support our growth in the app.
Cool, thanks. I hope you will have success with your idea and with your app. Yeah, and hope that you will have millions of users.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah. Thank you, Tracey, and yeah, just have a good day.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Alex.